Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make photo portrait in Snapseed. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Snapseed app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Click on the plus sign which is on the middle of the screen, which will allow you to access your gallery. Now select any of the photos. I'm using this one. To make photo portrait, you have to click on Tools. Scroll down a little bit. In the second last option, you can see Portrait. Click on it. So here there are many options. That is spotlighting one. You can increase it or decrease it. First of all, you have to know is when you are making a portrait photo, make sure you have a person in the middle, that is the person's face is visible or the body of the person is visible. You can pale it and or darken it. You can smooth the face or darken the face. You can edit skin smoothing. Other is you have this filters. You can put it to none or spotlight 2, even smooth 1, smooth 2. You can increase or decrease as you want. Then eyes, you have different filter types of option here available. When you this is for your skin. When I change this accordingly, my face is the photo in the face, the photo in the screen is changing. Similarly, eye clarity, you can increase it or decrease it. And when you are done editing, you have to click on to see the difference. On the top right corner, you can see this two-sided thing. When you click on it, you will see before and after. Okay, so on the bottom right corner there is a tick mark. When you are done editing, you have to click on tick mark. To save, click on export, which is on the bottom right corner. Then click on the save button. Click on modify and this photo is modified. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Now you know how to make a photo portrait in Snapseed. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.